Hey there everyone, it's MJ. Welcome to my channel called Planning This Life, where we talk pens, planners, productivity, office supplies, Japanese stationery, all that great stuff. Today, we're going to do an update on this little gem. This is the Jot pen from the Dollar Tree. We're going to do an experiment. We're going to have some fun. I'm going to strip the color off of this. Maybe put some stickers on and make it great. Stay tuned. Welcome if you're brand new. Welcome back if you have been with my channel for a little while. These pens surprised me, and I know that they surprised a lot of you as well. Available at most Dollar Trees. If they're not there, they will be there for $1.25 a piece. I went out and I bought a bunch more. So I can do a future giveaway. And so I could play around with this one. So this is the first one that I got. This actually, there's the ink. This actually is in my everyday carry pouch, and I use it for work, and it's been delightful. It's been delightful. I scribble things for work all the time. I need to write a lot, and I have it on me. I reach for it, and it works. It works. I just thought I have to keep the extra cartridge with me. But there is still a ton of ink left in here. So we're going to go over to my desk. We're going to play around and see if this works. If it doesn't work, I'm not going to feel bad because it's $1.25. It's $1.25. All right, so meet you over there. All right, here's the pen. I have some cotton pads and I have some acetone. Basically, acetone is nail polish remover. Well, that's what I have, 98% acetone. So we're gonna be careful doing this. I don't want to spill it anywhere. And we're gonna try. This could go horribly wrong. But maybe it won't. So I'm just gonna let it, oh, look at that. Oh, and this is real time. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm gonna unscrew this so I could do it properly. Okay. Look at that. Ooh. This is better than I thought. I saw this on another creator's channel. I will do my due diligence and link that channel below. And I want you to go over there and subscribe to that channel. I think their content is really, really cool. And without that video, I wouldn't be able to do this. This is so, so great. I think it's going to take a couple cotton balls because there is a little bit of residue if you don't wipe it off really quickly. So we will get all that off. How exciting. Because I know a lot of people are like, ugh, the prints, the colors, they're not that great this year. I'm fine with them, but trust me, if I could put a coffee washi or some type of a sticker, a book sticker, a fountain pen. I have fountain pen stickers. I have fountain pen and ink stickers. Oh, the possibilities are endless. Okay. Definitely going to have to wash this afterwards. You can feel the cotton wants to stick a little bit to the plastic, and that's probably just a part of the chemical reaction. All right. I mean, this is going to be a bitch though. Oh, we will do, well, I could just, no, I don't want to do that. I was going to say I could do half, but why would I do half? Maybe if I soak it in a small container. But I don't want to ruin all that nail polish remover. And I probably ruined my nails. Well, we're just going to keep going. That's all. This is like breaking news. So I think that the trick is to be very saturated and very quick with taking it off. One of you out there actually told me that you wrapped it with like automotive wrap. I thought that was a brilliant idea too. We can get one more. If I could just get under there with this. The trick is just to get like a toothpick, or this is like a just a small crafting tool. To get all the old print off, but I think we're pretty good. It looks decent to me. All right, I'm gonna go wash this with some hot soap and water, get all the sticky and residue off, and I'll be right back. All right, so here we go. Here's the finished product. Washed it off. There's a little bit of residue, but I'm not gonna, you know, the color is off. Remember to do this at your own risk, okay? Your $1.25 pen is $1.25. I would recommend doing the acetate or the acetone near a sink. I wouldn't leave it on there for very long. And, you know, I think maybe a cotton rag as opposed to a cotton ball probably would be a better option because the fibers will stick to it a little bit. I discovered that. But hey, it's fine. I'm happy with it. So now I think I'm going to see if I could find some washi and some stickers, maybe to decorate it a little bit. Let's see what we got. So these washi's are absolutely on my top tier list. This is from Coffee Monsters Co. These are fountain pens, which I usually put in my journal for new pen day, which is kind of fun. You get a heck of a lot of product. Ink bottles, same thing from Coffee Monsters Co. Again, you get a lot of bang for your buck. These are from Jet Pens. This is coffee, and these are books. So I think I may take not like a strip, but maybe cut individually some vignettes, put them on, and then we'll see how it turns out. All right. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm actually just clipping off little pieces and putting them on. This is so cute. Okay. So I put on a row of ink bottles and now I have a fountain pen. I think I might do a couple more. How about that? I love it. All right. Maybe we won't do coffee and books. Maybe we'll do just another, I think at the bottom, we'll do the ink again over here. And then I think we'll do a Coffee Monster Co. washi tape. I think that'll be great. I think we should go this way with it. And we're going to go right here. Voila. Lovely. Okay.
This is a cool one. These are just like office supplies, journaling supplies. This is one of my favorites. This is Tabletop Treasures. This may be actually a really, really good one to try. Because there are fountain pens and basically all the things that we love.
And for that, I have this cute washi just as like a little accent, and we can put it in between.
This is very fun.
Put something right here yet. This is really thick, so I'm not going to use that one. I really love this one. There. Look at that original pen. It's a lot going on, I know, but for $1.25, I think it's a heck of a lot of fun. The steal factor just went up on this pen. Yep. Somebody mentioned this in the comments. It's a 1.25 pen. That's what we're calling it. The 1.25 pen just got a creative upgrade. It's not perfect, but it's absolutely special. Look at how it turned out. Like I said, is it perfect? No. But it's pretty damn cool. And I love it. And that's all that matters. The 1.25 pen. Go out and get them if you haven't. Stay tuned for a future giveaway. I'll be giving away probably 3, I think. Either all at once or maybe to 3 different people. So put a little creativity in it. And it just might make you smile. Every time I reach for this, it's going to make me smile because I'm going to be thinking of all of you and this wonderful habit that we have. Everyone, make sure that you are taking care of yourself so you can take care of others. Fill those pens, write those words, and enjoy this awesome and very addictive habit that we have. I will see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now. And happy writing.